Dear students, welcome to the 27th lecture of 8051 timer/counter. So, in the last lecture, we have completed the C programming with respect to timers. Now, we will take up two examples with respect to the C programming, that is writing the embedded C programming for counters. Okay, till now we have seen how to write the programs for the timers, embedded C programming for a timers. Now, we'll see how we can write the programs for a counter in a embedded C. Okay, let me take a small example. Assume that a 1 Hz external clock is being fed into pin T0, that is P3.4. You can just go through this particular information in the last slides or last video lectures, right? This is the input. Okay, assume that 1 Hz external clock is being fed into PT0. Write a C program for counter 0 in mode 1 to count the pulses and display the value of TH0 and TL0 registers on P2 and P1 respectively. The meaning of this whole statement is there is a signal which is coming from T0. We need to calculate the total number of clock pulses. Those clock pulses are fed to TH0 and TL0 and the values are given in P2 and P1 respectively. Here I have drawn the diagram for that. So there is a 1 kilohertz square wave which is coming from P3.4. So these are to be fed onto the TH0 and TL0, right, of a timer, and that is to be given to P1 and P2 ports to the LEDs. Okay, so how we have to start with a program. Same as usual that we have written the program in a timer. Hash include REG51.h wide main. So first we need to make the timer 0 as an input pin. So for that directly you can write T0 is equal to 1 because it is a SFR, right? So T0 is equal to 1. So T0 will be acting as an input pin. Next, give the value of T mod, that is 0x05. So since we are using only timer 0, right? We are using only timer 0 and timer 0 in sense counter 0. Here we are using counter 0 in mode 1. Put that information in a T mod register, you will get 0x05. Next, initially what I am doing is I am giving a 00 in both the registers, that is set count to 0. Next, while do some operations, right? While do some operations, first start the timer. Now the timer has been started. That means a timer has been started, and when the timer starts, there will be a signal across T0 that has to be counted. Place the value of TL0 to P1, TH0 to P2. Okay, so place the values inside, place the value on pin. The information of TL0 is fed to P1, the information of TH0 is fed to P2. Okay, then these are to be done in a do loop while this is to be checked, right? So here compiler will wait until the TF value becomes equal to 1. When it becomes equal to 1, the value of TR0, that is timer, will be stopped and TF will be make equal to 0. So after that again this process will be continued forever, right? This process will be continued forever. So this is how it's very simple to write the program under the counter. Just we need to calculate the number of clock pulses that are entering into the 8051 with the help of TL0 and TH0, and that are to be transferred to P1 and P2 respectively. So this is one example of a counter. If you get any questions regarding this, you can ask. I will try to answer. Thank you.